Hello there, this is Marius from My Sales, and today I want to talk about how we calculate our replenishment orders. We use a comprehensive formula that aims to strike the best balance between ensuring on-shelf availability and at the same time reducing your stocks and especially reducing your waste. So let's jump into it. You go to the replenishment, to your orders, you select rows. This way you see at SKU level your orders. Let's check our orders for this store, for example. And you have here all your orders for each SKU. And let's check for these SKUs. You don't have to order. For these SKU, you do. Let's just check an example. For example, this one, you have your supplier here, your contract, and this is the SKU. And what you have here is the stock at the date of the ordering, what's in transit, what's forecasted to be sold before the first delivery, and what our stock before the first delivery is. And we estimate you need to order 18 pieces to cover everything. How do we calculate these 18 pieces? Well, let's just jump right into it. And you see here the formula explained. It's the maximum between the 0 and the forecasted sales between the first delivery and the second delivery. To this, you add a safety stock. The size of the safety stock depends on the size of the forecasting error. The higher the forecasting error, the higher the safety stock. The faster you sell a product, the more data it generates, the lower the forecasting error, the lower the safety stock. To this, you also add the presentation stock, and you have this from your planogram. It can be on one axis, it can be on two axes, it can be 3D, it's up to you. To this, we add any additional presentation stocks in case of a promo. And we also add the write-offs that we estimate to have between the first delivery, the second delivery. Here we use the FIFO method because simply it's more effective. If you are, let's say, out of Chiquita bananas, you still have maybe Dole bananas or maybe Bio bananas, or your customers can buy a pineapple. An out of stock does not translate automatically into a lost sales. However, if you don't use FIFO and if you overstock, then a write-off translates automatically into a loss. Now, to all this quantity, from this, we subtract the stock that you will have before the first delivery. And this is how you calculate that stock is the maximum between 0 and the stock you have when you order. You add anything in transit, you subtract what you will sell until the first delivery, and you subtract the write-offs until the first delivery. Put everything together and you have your base order of 1845. You optimize this in the sense that here one part you need 3 parcels. It's 6 pieces per parcel. Minimum order is 3, so you order 3 parcels. That's 18 pieces that you need to order to have the optimum. Here you have additional data that you can check, and I hope this helps. This is Marius from My Sales. Thank you very much.